G'day, today we're just doing a quick video on how to change a brake light globe on a 2010 Holden Cruze. So we've just taken off these bolts there and now there's a clip holding it in here. We're just going to undo the plug here, and right over in the corner here there's a little clip and they're locked in pretty hard, so I'll show you a little trick how to get them off. Got it all undone, and now we just thread I've got a bit of baling twine there, and then we just support that so it doesn't fly out, and then it pops out like that. You can see that clip there is holding on pretty hard, and now it's just a matter of undoing these like so, replacing your globes, and then it's just a process in reverse of putting it all back together. Anyway, I hope that's helped. Thank you for watching.